Today we have a 2019 BMW X5 and it has a jerking or shuddering while driving. All right, so if we make a right turn, accelerate into it. Yeah, so we can, right here, yeah, right there it's shuddering. Especially feel it at lower speeds, either backing up or pulling forward and turning at the same time. Light throttle applications, sometimes a little bit more throttle, like a medium throttle. You'll feel the car kind of like shudder, right? You could feel it in the seat, you could feel it in the steering wheel. The passengers or people sitting in the back seat could also feel it. It can happen in forward or reverse. A BMW has come out with a bulletin. It's a relatively easy fix. The first thing that they say is make sure that all the tires are the correct size. It is imperative that the tires are the correct size. If not, you'll have binding in the driveline causing shuddering. Okay, if that's dialed in and the tires are all the same size, then what you do is you go in with a scan tool and you disconnect, you command that the all-wheel drive be turned off. They did this for a diagnostic procedure. They want you to test drive it like that. If the shuddering goes away, then you know you have an all-wheel drive transfer case problem. The next thing to follow in that service information bulletin is to replace the fluid in the transfer case. That usually fixes it. You can read all about this in the service information bulletin 270220. You can just Google that, SIB 270220. It gives you the whole entire breakdown of what to do. Whatever you do, don't put a transfer case in it, or a transmission, or new spark plugs or coils or any of that. A lot of people mistake it as a misfire, so they'll start putting spark plugs in it and ignition coils and all that. That's not the problem. We verified the tires on this. We already turned the all-wheel drive system off. Shuddering went away. Now we're gonna go rack it, drain the fluid, put brand new transfer case fluid in it, right from BMW. Shell makes it. And then we're gonna go test drive it again and just make sure that the car does not shudder anymore. Okay, so we just got done with the procedure. We drained and filled it. We did everything. I just test drove it. The car's perfect. No more shaking, no more jerking, shuddering, nothing. Just a simple drain and fill on the fluid, and that's all it was. This car is fixed.